Hey guys, welcome to our show. Today we are opening a Ryans mystery box.
Ryans Mystery Playdate picture puzzle box. What do you think about
guys, if you didn't know, there's a new channel called Ryans Mystery Playdate, and there's one of these that he has to try and open.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I don't guess I've seen that one.
So, well.
Should we try to open this one?
Yeah. There's lots of kinds of mystery box that he's opened. I watch Ryan. I really watch Ryan.
You watch Ryan a lot, huh?
Yeah, I love his shows. Are we gonna get that from out under there? Daddy, little assistant.
Push it through. Oh, the whole thing spins.
Oh, I just messed it up.
You messed it up? How'd you mess it up?
Look, I messed the whole thing up. Man.
Keep twisting.
Oops, wrong way. These things are hard to unwrap, guys. Oopsies.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, guys, here it is.
There it is. It's all unwrapped. Now, what do you do?
Oh, no. It has something in it, but we can't open it.
Think you can figure out the puzzle?
Oh, do you guys think it even makes the noise? It doesn't make the noise, so you know when you're correct.
Oh, it doesn't? You
Nope.
just got to know you're correct?
Yeah. Silly thingy. Messed up my picture.
Think you got it?
Yeah.
Let's see the picture.
Oh no, I didn't get it.
Oh no. Now what?
What in the world?
I wonder if... Oh, I don't guess it's right.
Maybe it has to line up with the green stars.
Ooh. Where's the green stars? Show us the green stars. Oh, I bet it does have to line up with the green stars. Green means go.
Daddy.
Is it a truck?
Yeah, it's a fire truck.
A fire truck? Okay, flip it around here and show it to us before you pop it open.
Let's see, guys.
See if it pops open. There you go.
Oh no, it goes this way. It's supposed to go both ways. Guys, look at this humongous bed. Oh no.
It won't even come out, it's so big.
Oh no.
Oh, there it is.
We got another one.
Oh, there's lots of bags in there.
Wow. Guys, we forgot to take the tag off.
We'll take the tag off in a little
And
bit.
guys, and guess what? You can restore it and do it again.
Yeah. Well, I bet you can put all your stuff back in there and then lock it back. That way nobody can get into it.
Yeah, look. I already locked it. That's a bad dealio.
All right, let's get to opening them.
Yeah, I'm going to open the big one first. Oh.
Is it a Firetruck?
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Uh-oh, it has a figure.
It has a figure?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's got a figure that goes in there to drive the Firetruck, doesn't it?
There's nothing in here. Trash. Who could that be? Sheldon, maybe? What in the world?
What's that? That's the fire station doggy?
Who is that? Ryan doesn't even have a fire dog. Bye. Bye.
What's that?
I do not know what these things are.
That's a fire hydrant. That's where the fire trucks get their water from.
Me. Dog on top of the car. That's what you do when you have a fire truck.
The dog goes on top of the truck?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's the fire doggy?
Hey, you're pulling my thing. What is that? Oh, it's the water hose.
It's the fire hose. Got a fire dog and a fire truck and a fire hydrant and a fire hose. Who's that, you think? Is that the big one that fills up the whole package?
Yeah. I think it's the driver.
It's the driver?
You gotta get your... It's Ryan! We got Ryan.
Ryan the fireman. That's pretty cool.
Let's see if they all work.
So we got Ryan the fireman, his fire truck, his fire doggy, fire hose, and a fire hydrant. Everything to put out a fire, huh?
Yep.
Does he fit in there?
Guys, if you don't know, my carpet changes colors down here.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Let's see if he works.
We'll have to give all of your subscribers the tour of your new toy room.
Yeah, we could make a show on that.
We'll do a show on that.
Hey guys, click a thumbs up if you want us to make a show on that. Because my new toy room is down here. We're in it, and it looked amazing.
It's amazing.
It's a little of a mess.
Little of a mess. There's toys everywhere.
Yeah.
That's why we had to make a toy room. So many toys.
So guys, are you ready to see this when it's all finished? It's parked in the fire garage, and it's ready to go.
Ready to go. Ryan, the fireman,
And his dog.
and his fire puppy, his fire hose, and his fire hydrant all ready to put out the fires. That was a pretty cool one, huh? You haven't ever had one of those mystery boxes before, have you?
Nope.
That's pretty neat how it all locks up. You can put it all back in there and lock it all back up.
Yeah, guys, you want to see me lock it all back up? Okay. The little ones went first down there.
Twist it into place. You'll feel it fall into place. Twist it while you're pushing down.
Daddy, our thing is stuck. You won't twist anymore.
Do we move? Yep. Move that one. Now twist it.
Twist this.
Yep. Twist that.
It won't come out.
There we go. All locked up. Good to go? All locked up now?
Yep.
Pull on the ends of it. All locked back up. Now nobody can get into your toy.
It's like a mystery safe. Guys, we have a real safe. And comment down below if you want to make a show on that too, of me trying to open it and trying to get to this or one of my toys.
Oh, you think we should put your toys in the real safe and see if you can get it open?
It's gonna be very hard. I've never tried doing that before. I've never tried putting one of my toys in there, and it's not going to be Molly.
Not going to be Molly, your favorite puppy?
Yeah, I have 2 stuffed dogs. I made 3. And Molly is my favorite one.
She's your favorite. You've had her forever, huh?
Yes, she has a sister named Maddie. Yeah, Maddie's my other stuffed dog.
Okay, we won't put Molly in the safe. We'll put some other toy in there.
Yeah! If you like this show, click a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.